Zalalam from 2020 is active. Today we will see Java enumerators. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, comment, share and like. So an enumerator is a type of class, a special type of class. Enumerators are special type of objects in Java. They provide named constant values to control tasks, and they are special because you don't have to initialize them with a new keyword as a class, though you can have a constructor in Enums as well as methods and fields. The main use of Java Enums is to have a named constants that control your tasks. So rather than talking about enums, it is better to have a demonstration. So let's have an enum class. Now let's call it direction. So let's finish, and let's have named constants. We will say, because we have said it's direction, let's make it this way. Let's make it right, and then let's have quit. Okay, so here these are named constants, and they are useful to control different execution processes. Let's use an example here. Let's have which is equals to 0. Okay, so let's say direction, let's say quit. Okay, and we will use the ordinal function in so this gets you the integer value of the constant value. So in num, the integer value starts from 0, so up, ordinal value of up is 0, and it continues up to 4. So when we click 4 or write 4, the execution will stop. So we will say, we can say let's use a switch statement here. Okay, so let's say up. Okay, let's print this one, let's make it 1, and it should be down. Okay, 2 is left, and 3 is right. Okay, let's make this code clear. Okay, so here after the switch statement, we will have to instruct the user, enter a number to change. Let's say enter 0 to 3 to change direction, and 4 to quit. Okay, so let's initialize an input stream, and let's have direction is equals to, okay, so let's import the library, the Java Enum library. Okay, now it's we have done this one. So every time it prints the direction, and when you enter a number, it will change the direction based on the number you have put. Okay, so let's run this one. So it's because the initializing number is 0, it's the output is moving up. Okay, so here I'll put 2. So here we'll say moving left, and then enter a number 3, moving right, 1, moving down, 0, moving up. You see, when I put 4, the application will stop. Okay, so that's how enumerator, Java enumerator, is useful. It provides you an elegant way of using named constants rather than defining each constant variable. You can use such kind of definition with constant variables in the main class, but using enums is an elegant way of using named constants. That's how we use enums. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.